Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to clean calcium deposits from pool tile. First, identify the type of buildup you're dealing with, as this will guide your choice of cleaning method. Then, gather all your necessary tools and protective gear before you begin the process. We'll cover various techniques to ensure your pool tiles sparkle again. There are several effective ways to tackle calcium. For minor spots, a wet pumice stone can gently scrub away the buildup. For more significant scale, commercial calcium removers are very effective. You might also consider a pressure washer for larger areas, but use it carefully to avoid damage. A simple mixture of equal parts vinegar and water can also work for lighter deposits. Let's walk through the cleaning process. First, you may need to lower your pool's water level to fully expose the calcium-covered tiles. Next, apply your selected cleaning solution, allowing it to sit for several minutes to loosen the deposits. Then, use a stiff brush or appropriate tool to scrub the areas. Finally, rinse the tiles thoroughly with clean water to remove any residue. Preventing calcium buildup is easier than removing it. Regularly test your pool water to ensure proper chemical balance, especially keeping pH between 7.4 and 7.6. Consider using a sequestering agent to bind minerals and prevent them from forming scale. Also, a quick brush of your pool tiles along the waterline once a week can make a big difference in preventing future deposits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.